Hi guys, welcome to your fifth tutorial in xhtml, and in this is going to be a quick one because there's not much to it. It's just going to be about links inside your web page. You know, when you have tons and tons of writing and you don't want to be scrolling down to find it, you can just put a link in. So what I've done here is I've got a load of text from Lauren Ibsen, which is just random text. That's why you see the red lines, because none of it actually makes sense. It's just text to fill a page when you want to do something. So I've given each of these sections a heading and page 2. And I've given them different names: garden section, veg, flower. So I went down to the last one here, okay? And in here we have plant section. So we have it inside a header, right? And inside the header we put an anchor. Now to link to this you have to give this plant section name. So I call it plant because obviously it says plant section. So just put that in double quotations. So name is equal to plant. So there's your destination, okay? Then you come back up here and you want to put your link to that. So we know it's plant section we want to go to. So we put that inside our anchor. Now the reference for this is going to be href is equal to £, and whatever you called your link down below, I call mine plant. So you can see it's plant. So if we go and run this in Firefox, this should come up, and hopefully Firefox won't be too slow. But for me, these are the things you're going to learn, and here we go. So we're in here now. This is what you need to be looking at, and this is what you need to be learning, okay? So we know if we scroll down by hand, we can go down to here, right? But if even though I put the link just here, I could put it up here at the top of the page, but I'll put it here. But if I press this, this should take me down to the plant section, right? Without having to scroll down to it, okay? So press it, and here we go. Down to the scroll, down to the plant section. So just to go through this one more time, got all this from Laura Ibsen. I've given different sections headings. Okay, this is my destination area. I've given this a plant section. So just like bed section, plant section. I put an anchor inside this, and you write down name is equal to whatever you want to call this, and I'll call it plant. I then went back up to the top of my page, but close to the top. I could have put it up here if I wanted to make it a bit longer to show you more of a movement, but I left it here. So in here I have my plant section, put that inside the anchors, and to connect to that, to link that, is href is equal to @plant. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial guys, and I look forward to seeing you in tutorial number 6. Take care.